Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going on a really exciting journey of discovery together. The history of machines is just this massive story of great discoveries, right? From inventing the wheel all the way to discovering electricity. But today, we're uncovering an invisible technology that is secretly hiding right inside your everyday routines. We hear those two letters, A and I, tossed around constantly in the news, but here's the truth. It isn't just some far-off, futuristic concept waiting in a secret lab somewhere. It is already here, and it's literally working for you right now.
So where exactly is AI hiding in your daily life? Well, I guarantee you probably used artificial intelligence today without even realizing it. So for the rest of this explainer, let's play detective. We're going to track down exactly where this tech lives, how it operates in the shadows, and how it quietly makes our whole modern world function.
Section 1, AI in your pocket.
Okay, time for a quick pop quiz. Look at these 4 smartphone features: Face Unlock, Voice Assistance, Photo Enhancement, and Predictive Text. Which one of these uses AI? Well, it's a trick question, because they actually all do. When your phone recognizes your face, or you ask your voice assistant a question, or your camera magically brightens up a really dark photo, or even when your keyboard guesses the exact word you were going to type next, yep, that is AI stepping in to help you out.
And you know that pocket-sized assistance extends right into your entertainment too, on streaming apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Spotify. Think of AI as a super smart digital librarian. It's actually a lot like how we learn as humans. Just like you learn that your best friend loves chocolate ice cream and you start offering it to them, the AI studies what you watch, learns your specific tastes, and then magically suggests the perfect movie or song that you'll definitely enjoy next. It feels like magic, but it's really just a brilliantly programmed system learning what you love.
Moving right along to Section 2, AI on the move.
Think about how we navigate nowadays. When you open up a map app, AI acts like a brilliant scout. It's not just staring at a static map. First, it checks real-time traffic patterns. Then, it actively predicts exactly where delays are going to happen based on how all the other cars are moving. And finally, it uses all that data to route you fast. It is constantly calculating the absolute fastest path for your trip so you never get stuck in a jam.
And this is a great example of how AI doesn't just route your personal car, but it actively helps entire cities keep traffic flowing smoothly. It's literally the invisible force powering driver assistance systems, helping cars understand the road around them, and predicting traffic flow so that every single one of us gets to our destination safely and quickly.
Section 3, Smart Schools and Doctors.
Over in the classroom, AI acts like a super smart, tireless personal tutor. Just imagine having a helper who never ever gets bored explaining tricky math problems to you until you totally get it. It can instantly create custom quizzes to test your knowledge, build perfect study plans tailored just for you, and give you a genuinely personalized learning experience. It meets students exactly where they are.
Meanwhile, over at the hospital, doctors are using these smart AI tools to keep us all healthy. And honestly, the results are awe-inspiring. They use AI to quickly analyze really complex medical scans. This technology helps doctors detect diseases way earlier than ever before, and it can even predict health risks before they turn into major emergencies. It's an absolutely crucial assistant for medical professionals, literally helping them save lives.
Section 4, Safe Shopping and Banking. So whenever you're browsing online, AI is paying close attention. Just like it learns your taste in movies, it remembers the kinds of things you like to buy. It recommends products based entirely on your specific interests and your past purchases. It's essentially your own personalized digital shopper, one who knows exactly which sneakers or video games you've been dreaming about.
And when it comes to your money, banks use AI as an eagle-eyed digital guard dog. It's programmed to instantly spot suspicious activity, sniffing out fraud the very second it happens to stop bad transactions right in their tracks. It also helps financial institutions assess credit risks, working 24/7 in the background just to keep your bank account completely safe.
Okay, let's pull all these clues together for Section 5, the big AI quiz.
Look at this number, millions. It's honestly incredible to think about the timeline here, how AI moved from just wild ideas in science fiction all the way to the daily tools we use right now. Every single minute of every single day, AI helps process millions of searches, content recommendations, language translations, and digital interactions worldwide. The sheer scale of what this technology is managing behind the scenes every 60 seconds is absolutely mind-blowing.
As we can see here, AI is already completely transforming every major sector of our lives.
From tutors and study plans in education to analyzing scans in healthcare, right down to finding the fastest route in transportation, catching fraud in banking, and suggesting the perfect product in entertainment and shopping. And what's really fascinating? Its influence is just growing every single day.
So, here is your final test for today's explainer. Can you list 3 common, everyday ways you personally use AI? Think about all the clues we've uncovered on our journey today. Is it Face Unlock on your smartphone? Is it relying on Google Maps to find a fast route to school? Or maybe talking to voice assistants? Or getting a YouTube recommendation? See if you can name 3. To wrap up our journey of discovery today, I really want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell us which daily AI tool is your absolute favorite. Can you identify one specific app you use today? Getting engaged with this really helps you realize just how integrated this tech is in our modern world. Thank you so much for joining me to uncover the technology hidden in plain sight. But before we go, I want to leave you with this one thought. If AI is already doing all of this for us today, what incredible things will it be capable of doing tomorrow?